Hello guys, how you guys doing? Hope you guys are having a blessed day. It's Marvin Mind. If you guys are just coming to my YouTube page, I want you to hit the subscribe button, click the button, right? So you can get more information on Crash and Boom. You get today we're going to be talking about market structure on Crash and Boom. All right, market structure in Crash and Boom. Now, when it comes to trading Crash and Boom, you want to understand the structure of the market because each market has their structure, right? There are thousands of markets in the forex market, right? And each of these markets have their body movement and the market structure, right? So we're going to go into the chart right now, and we're going to see some market structure in crash and bull market, right? So let me just take the chart off. Boom, 500. I'm currently on this trade on sell now. So let's just use this market. Okay. Okay, let's just use this market. So let me just get clean of the charts. Right. So now when it comes to crash and bull markets, all markets have their market structure, is that not right? Yes. And crash and bull market is all about buying and selling. The same thing with the forex market. It's all about buying and selling. But in this buying and selling, they have behaviors. Do you get? And for you to become a profitable trader, you have to pick out some markets you'll be trading. When it comes to synthetic indices, I prefer trading boom 500 and boom 300. Not that I don't trade other markets, but it's because I understand the market structure and I understand the market. That's why sometimes my students do ask me online on Instagram, um, how did I trade? How did I understand the market? Why did I trade only just boom 500 mostly or boom 300? That's just the reason because if you give your time to the markets you trade, right, you are going to um, understand them very well. Do you get? You understand them very well, right? And you won't miss any move, any major move that's going to happen. You're not going to miss any of it. Do you understand? So that's one of the benefits of having a specific market. See, the truth is, the money you are going to make in other markets, all right? If you pick a market, you are still going to make that same money. Do you understand? So it's just for you to wait for your market to get to your level for you to make money. Do you understand? That's where patience is being exercised in trading. Okay. So you have to wait for the market to get to your own favor, your own market to get to your own favor before you trade, not going to others' market. So I just look at it, pick a market, right? That you go to and you make it. Do you understand? So when we talk about market structure now, right? Um there's three important market structure, right? Which is there are four actually. The first one is uptrend, and the second one is downtrend, and the third one is consolidation, and the fourth one is a ranging market. Ranging markets, right? Now, what's a come on, let me text it out. Um, the first one is a down is an uptrend market. The second one is a downtrend market. Sorry, give that a space. Downtrend market, and the third one is a choppy market slash consolidating. So they just call it choppy markets. The fourth one ranging. So these are the four important market structure that are very important too in crash and boom. Now, the first one let's just go for a downtrend because this market is on a downtrend, which is this second one, right? So let's define the second one. Now, a downtrend is a market that forms series of higher high and lower low, higher high, lower low, higher high, lower low, higher high, lower low. So if you understand that the market creates a higher, when you see the market goes up and goes down below and it does not go back to the previous high and it went down, it did not, when it came back up, it did not go back to this previous high. It stopped at the middle and went down. You know that the market is making series of what? Down movement, which is downtrend, and you should be expecting what? Sell. So who is more profitable? Who has more advantage on this trade is the sellers. Do you get? So now we have understand that the market is making series of higher highs, higher low, higher highs, higher low. Now, if I pick these two top, these are the two major top. For a very long period of time, the market has not approached this level. Do you understand? So the market is what? Going downward. So we already understand that this market is what? On the downtrend. So if you go to your lower time frame, what you should be looking for is a what? A downtrend actually. All right. What you should be looking for is a sell market. All right. So we're currently on this market on sell. We know that what we're looking for is a sell market because we understand the market structure and we know the market is going down for sell. So go to your 4 hours time frame. Go to your 4 hours time frame, right? You see the market is currently on a down momentum, down, 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 series of lower high and low. It's going down, down, down. We're seeing the direction. It's pushing down, right? It's coming down, 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 right? So we can see the beautiful trend. So we know the direction of the market is down. So this is just so easy, all right? It's just for you to understand the market structure before you come talk about analysis or all of that strategy, all of that. You need to understand market structure. Do you understand? If you understand market structure, you know the direction of the market, and when you know the direction of the market, then you can apply any strategy or whatever you are using. Right? So I'm just doing this for you to understand the market structure, and you can add it to your trading ability so you can know the direction of the market anytime you are what trading. So let's go to boom 300 or okay, let me just slide to this side of the chart for an uptrend just to explain an uptrend. Market is not loading fine. Let me go to 4 hours. Okay, so this is a very beautiful up momentum. All right, the market is on an up momentum. Yeah, all right, it's on an uptrend on your 4 hours time frame. You get, so if you're a scalper at this period, you should not be trading on 500 for sell. You should be trading it for buy. The only place you can enter for sell is at measure zone. You get, right? Major zone can still help you to rebalance the market, but you should be very perfect and you should understand your strategy very well before you be able to make good profit, even when the market is going up. But you are not advised to trade for um, sell when the market is going up on the buy. Do you get? So now we know the market is pushing up and is making series of lower low, higher high, lower low, higher high, lower low, higher high. Do you get? So the market is making series of lower low, higher high, lower low, higher high. So we are understanding the market is going upwards. So we should be looking for only opportunity for what? Buy, right? Opportunity for buy. So if I wanted to buy this, I will buy at the support, buy at the support, and sell at the resistance if I were looking for sell. Sell at the resistance if I were looking for sell. Do you understand? So it's very easy. Buy support, or you sell resistance. But you have to understand what market structure for you to understand over what you are doing in the market. So I hope this helps you on uptrend. Let's go to the um um let's go to the third one. The third one is the choppy market. Let me bring it out on my screen. Um, zoom out the choppy market. All right, a choppy market is a market that you can't trade. All right, there are sometimes when you get into the forex market and you don't know what's happening in the market. You're just looking at the market. You don't know if the market is selling, if it's buying. You're just confused. It happens. All right, it happens. So sometimes I come to the market and I don't understand what the market is doing. I chill. You get. I just get off the market. Right. So you don't force or trade when they are not there. Right. Why? Because there are sometimes the market tends to be choppy and which is consolidating. And if you try to go and get into the market, you lose your funds. You what? You lose your funds. So if you go into the market right there, you can see the market is chopping right there. It's got to support, right, but it's not buying once, it's not buying back with its massive speed. It was chopping for a period of time. Now if you get into this trade, it's going to what? Give you loss because it does not have direction. It's just buying and selling and buying and selling. These are called choppy market. So whenever you see the market use at support level and is not bouncing up with momentum, it's making buying and selling and all those long weeks, just get off the market, all right? Come later and you see the market when it breaks below those major um, consolidation level, it will go to a direction massively. All right. So the last one is our what? The last one, the fourth one, it's a ranging market. Ranging a ranging market. Now, a ranging market is a market that hits support, hits resistance, and it's not making any series of lower low or any series of higher high. It's just moving in waves in a channel. Do you understand? In a channel. So I'm going to look for a good market to explain that for you well. Okay, let's change pair. Let's go to boom 300. um Let me just use only boom 500 to let's go to boom 300. Let me use boom 300 to show you a ranging market. So you can see it happens in all forex markets. Do you understand? So this is a ranging market right here. All right, this is a ranging market right here, and you can actually do use support and resistance to trade it if you come to the market and meet it at that. Now looking at this market, you see it's actually on a shine there. It's not going above this level, it's not going below this level. See, it finally went below here and came back in before it broke out. And when it broke out with massive buy. Do you get? So this is a ranging market over here. All right. So the best place to enter the market is for at the resistance or the support. Resistance or support. Resistance or support. That's the best place. But this level, the market did a strong bounce here, had a more than one rejection. One, two, 3, 4, 5. So you should know this market is not going to go above, and when it's going to come down, it's going to come down with pressure and it's going to break this down. That's how you know market that is going to break support. So that's it for market structure. I hope this helped you a lot. If this is the first time coming to my page, please hit the subscribe button. There are more videos going to come in the future. So take good care of yourself. Marvel Mind, hitting off. Peace out, bro.